Hello again, I'm Carmen from Romania and I'm going to show today to you happy moodlers how to insert a resource. So as I am already on my profile, I will enter the TPA, and because we already have a group in topic 4 and I have already inserted somebody from my group, a colleague, has inserted this subchapter English, and I inserted this first chapter, essay topics. I will add another one. So I must go back, I think. Oh, I must turn the editing on. I forgot. Okay, so from this I will add a new chapter. Okay, the new chapter is going to be called Essay Outline. Okay, let's say it's subchapter. As a content, I will make the rich editor, and then I will write technique. Then I will open insert from Word, because I already have it opened on my... I opened it, I select everything, I copy it, then I'll close, I will paste it, I will insert it, and then I will save changes. And here is my essay outline, is already inserted. As a subchapter 1.1 to my essay topics. I hope this would be of use to you, and see you next time. Bye bye.